So in order to create your loop, you need to have a loop. I'm using Celine flapping her arms. Shoop to shoop. Now it also has to have an alpha channel, which means the background has to be deleted. If you notice, I've already have it set up because of the green screen. And so I will get rid of, actually no, I'll just grab this chunk, copy it, and make a new sequence. File, new, sequence. You could start from this sequence as well. So I'm going to paste Celine. There she is, just one little bit. Now the trick is we're going to have to copy and paste this over and over again. But notice that there is no background behind Celine because of the green screen, right? Nothing behind her. And so now I will make sure that's at the beginning. I will copy this clip. I can go to the end of the clip and I can paste. There it is, paste, and then continue to paste for, this is the trick, as long as we need this movie to run. The idea is that we will make a movie with the alpha channel that will last a certain amount of time. This is going to last 18 seconds and 15 frames. Okay, I'm going to set my out point. I have my end point. Let's zoom back out a little bit. There it is. 18 seconds of Celine on fire with no background. So now the second part is, and this is the tricky part, we're going to go to the Export tab. We're going to select QuickTime as our output source, which I think we're going to do from here on out. And then from there, you need to select a very specific preset. And I've already selected it, but I think you need to go to more presets first, because what we're looking for is GoPro Cineform 12-bit with alpha at maximum bit depth. And so that's the important part. One other thing I do is, which is helpful, is if I already have a project open, I can import into that project straight from here. Of course, I'm going to name it something that I recognize. Celine on Fire 3 Alpha 666. Okay, now I know what that is now. This is where I'm saving it to my film and animation folder on my Google Drive. And then I hit export. But that's the important part. Remember this. And as a matter of fact, I will take a screenshot of that if I can do that. And now I'm going to go to export. And it is exporting. And Amos is blowing his nose. And now I have that file. Now I can go back to my original, and I can, if you notice, here's Celine on Fire 3. This is my exported. It imports into the project that I had open, and I can drag this now. And if you'll notice, we'll see two Celines. There she is flapping her arms. There's my loop as a movie with an alpha channel. That's the important part. We can get rid of this one so we can just see our looping piece. But now I can make her smaller. Whoops, wrong thing. Come on, Celine. Where are you, Celine on Fire? There you are. I'm going to lock that so I can't get to it. There she is. Right? And now what I can do is move while she's looping. So she's flapping arms and looping, right? So there she is. She begins there. And if I wanted to, I can now animate the loop by having her move, set my position keyframes, right? Add a keyframe there. It's already there because I've already started it. Now I can move Celine way over here, and sure enough, there she goes. And she's going to love this. We should probably share this with her. There she goes. Whee! Now here goes Celine. There she is. She's flapping her arms and flying across the screen and the pit of hell. This looks silly. Great. There's your tutorial. Do it right. Hurry up. Get to work.